there. Down so fast it's not even moving hardly. See? That's what they do. That's the fastest one of all. I would have been able to fix that other one now. I would have fixed it. It had a wire off. That's why it didn't work. It didn't do anything. The motor quit, so there was wire off. I could have fixed that. It's not that hard to fix. Wires are really easy to fix. They like being over here, it looks like. Oh. Get out of here. That would be awesome if I actually did have 8 of these, because I thought I did. But I know I had 6. There's one rat still over there. This is part of the family, because it's a rat. But this one doesn't go anywhere. It stays in the same spot. Stop going still too. Wait, it's actually still going. And the lights are staying lit up. Just like Guardian of the Grave. You'll definitely tell which one that one is, because that one never blinks then. Oh, see, a battery popped out. Their legs must be posable if they're different on some of them. Now this is going to be popping out. Oh, they're making that rat keep going. I think this one's going to have to go over here. This one's still the fastest. Yeah, I'll put the camera like that. It won't pop out much over here in the free space. Here, I'll put that away. Oh! There's still one left over here. So all 5 of them are going again. Yay! Owie! Oh! Not cooking! This will be cool if they could all be in the garage. People would be so scared to go in the garage with these. They'd be bumping into their shoes. One with the straight tail. Chargeables in it. That's the slowest one I remember. The battery. Oh, I was just hanging sideways. I like it sideways. Looks cool like that. have it sideways again. But it's gonna go back. See, the battery popped out again. Oh my gosh, I didn't even set it down. I set it down as light as I could and the battery popped out. Oh my gosh, they're grinding gears.